it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share some fun, small projects with you. This is a little assortment of fun things that I was gifted recently, and I just thought that the ideas and the creativity were so amazing that I had to share them with you up close. We thought about sharing them on the podcast, but we really wouldn't have been able to, just get right up close and show you these incredible ideas. And since it is just before the holidays, you might even get some ideas for gifts that you want to make for your friends or maybe even for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm super excited to share these gifts with you. These all came from retreat attendees for our Hawaii Sewcation retreat. And so some of them have a little bit of a Hawaiian flair, you'll see, which is really fun because I'll always remember that event because of that. So I'm just going to start and share. And this was so fun because while I was there, I loved getting to see the sea turtles. And so this was super fun for me to get this coaster. And it's made with polyurethane laminate in the center so that it will help protect your table from cold beverages. She put a little note on the back and said it won't work for hot beverages, but it will help protect your furniture from the cold. And I just love it. It's just a square little coaster, but such a simple, fun idea that you could do with any kind of fun fabric that you wanted to use for gifts. And, she just turned them inside out and stitched about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. Just perfect. I love it. This one is super fun. This is actually a pin cushion, but this is made from a yucca plant. And so this is the stem of the yucca. It's very easy to put the pins in. And not only did this gifter give this to me, but I believe she made them for everyone at the retreat. As I was walking around teaching, I saw them at people's workstations, and I was like in awe of what some people did. It was just really, really fun. Okay, I love this Hawaiian themed fabric. It is a scissor case, and such a fun idea to protect your scissors while you're traveling. There's a large pair of scissors right there just to show you. And what a great idea. I'm not sure if she used a pattern or not, but you could definitely make this without a pattern just by kind of using this type of shape and using your scissors as a guide. But really love this. Eyeglass case holder with our raspberry summer fabric. Such a great idea. And she used a little tape measure inside so that it will snap closed, because then when your glasses are in there, they're not going to fall out. And the other thing you could use this for, you could actually put pens or rotary cutter, scissors, anything like that in here as well. Such a fun idea. It's a pumpkin made with our strawberry lemonade fabric, but it's also a coin purse. And she's got the cutest little leaf charm and a pumpkin charm and a little tab. I love how she added the little pull here so you could easily find it in your purse. You could also use this for jewelry, I was even thinking too. Just so darling. So many fun things. Okay, I also wanted to share this darling little Christmas tree ornament. Very cute, simple little hanger, ribbon bow. It says, Sewcation November 2025, Kauai, Hawaii. This maker also made these for everyone at the retreat. So everyone at the retreat got this little ornament that will always remind them of our event. And it was very, very special. I'm actually going to set it over here because the same person who made this, the same ladies, there are actually 2 of them, gifted me this, and I'm going to show this at the end. Okay, this actually isn't a handmade gift, but I just wanted to show you anyway. This was a gift from Diane, who organized our event, and I believe all the ladies at the retreat got one of these. And it's just a cute little safety pin. And it has a turtle charm and a fish charm and a pineapple charm. And I love this because this just will always and forever remind me of our event. So it was just a lovely gift from Diane, who organized the entire event, and all the attendees got this. Very, very sweet. You've heard me mention my friend Nancy, who does some sewing for me. And she was actually one of the attendees too, and she brought me this fun little gift. It's made with our Delightfully Yours fabric. And again, I'm not sure that she had a pattern, but you could do this super easily. She just put the elastic into the binding there and sewed a button right there to close it. But it's just a little, you know, honestly, just fabric. She has a little flap here sewn in to keep some wonder clips. She has some felt here to put pins and a cute little pair of scissors. They're actually tied in there so they won't come loose. I'll just kind of untie it real quick. That way they don't fall out. What a fun idea, right? And just stitch that in. And then a small little pair of scissors. It's just so cute. Nancy also gifted me with this. I will show you a couple of her favorite things. So she loves this thread, magic thread conditioner to keep her thread from knotting when she does binding. And then she shared with me her favorite binding thread, which is this Metler silk finish cotton. And so I'm super excited to try this as well. Okay, I've got something else to show you, and it is really incredible. I was just taken aback when I received this gift. Liberty, I immediately noticed the Liberty of London fabric on the bag, and there was a tag. And on the outside of the tag, it says Prosperity Hens. The tag reads, Prosperity hens originated long ago when owning a flock of chickens meant the difference between hardship or flourish. Ladies started sewing their own little flocks, hanging them in doorways to invite wealth and good fortune back into their homes. We hope you love your little flock, Allie and Jan. These two ladies are from the UK, and I, of course, had no idea what was inside this bag until I opened it. And when I opened it, I thought, oh my goodness, how adorable, this beautiful chicken. This is my flock. But as I continued to pull from the bag, chicken after chicken, or prosperity hen after prosperity hen, I should say, came out from the bag. They are just beautifully put together with wooden beads in between. And there is a darling little bell at the end. This is actually a little wool bead in between the wooden beads. But this little flock of prosperity hens, I had never seen or heard of anything like it. And I am so excited to hang this. I love that it has a hanger. And I am gonna hang it in my office so that I can look at it all the time. The fabrics for these hens are all Liberty of London fabrics, which also will always help me remember where the gift came from. But I love the little beaks and the little tail feathers. It's just the most incredible little idea. And I don't know, have you heard of prosperity hens? I had never heard of this before, and I'm not sure if it was just in the UK or if it was something internationally with hens also, but such a lovely gift. Very inspired by all of these, and I hope that you are too. Okay, so that's it for my little gift assortment. I was very, very grateful to get all of these and excited to use them all, and hope that you got some inspiration for ideas of things that you might want to make for yourself and your friends from these little projects. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.